So, ito na siya. This is super liit. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! For today's video, tayo ay mag-unboxing. Pero bago tayo magsimula, don't forget to subscribe to my channel at i-tap ang bell beside it for you to be notified every time we have a new upload. So without further ado, let's start! So ngayon, simulan na natin yung unboxing. Ito ay Teneng! Yeah, I bought this one sa Henry's Camera sa SM North EDSA Annex Branch. So right now, uunahin muna natin yung mga freebies na kasama nung ating camera. So right now, ang unang-unang freebie which sobrang na-excite akong gamitin is this one. Yan. This is the Selly Flexible Holder. This is actually for the phone. So, yeah. Binuksan ito ng sister ko. She checked the items. Oh my God. Kasi kabubukas lang maninira pa. So, it's like this. Yan. Yan. Dito mo yata ipapatong yung phone mo. Something. I can use this one kapag nag-work ako, siguro. The freebie is actually 780. So, not bad. So, next na freebie nila, this is the Canon M50. Yan, this is camera printer na 2x3 yung size niya. Ganito yung itsura niya. So, this one, it's a pink one and then, basta meron lang siyang something dito na papasukan ka ng paper. Yan. The paper is as small as this one. This one, 2x3, and it just has a cable, a charger, and see, and yeah, yung parang wristlet or something. The worth of this camera, nung sinerch ko, is 7,900 sa Lazada. So, that's still a good buy. Maganda na rin yung freebie nila, but I haven't tested this one yet. Next is this one. This is their camera bag. And this is so small and yeah, so handy. And when you open this one, pag ganun siya, meron din siyang parang strap. Okay. Next one is I also purchased a memory card. This is 64 GB for 1,400. Sabi nga ng sister ko, para hindi ako mabitin, so I have to buy this one. So, ayaw nating nabibitin. Here we go! Here we go! Here we go! This is it! Yeah. This is the Canon EOS M50 Mark II camera. So, inside the box, we have the manual. And you have to register this one pala muna dun sa kanilang Canon Red na app. You have to download that one and you have to scan the barcode or the QR code. Ayun, para for the warranty na magkakaroon siya na additional 1 year. So that would be 3 years na yung inyong warranty kapag niregister mo siya dun sa Canon Red app. So, what we have inside the box is the cable for the charger. Ito yung kanyang charger. Yan. And we also have the strap. This one. And we have the battery. The battery is super small. This is the kit lens. This is the 1545mm. Sa akin okay na. Okay na yung kit lens na yun as a starter. Not bad. And yeah. Ito na ang kanyang body. Yan. This is super handy. Like, super handy. Super liit. May feeling ako na kapag hinawakan ko siya, mahuhulog siya anytime. Pero hindi. Parang ewan ko yung mga pagkakagawa ng mga gilid-gilid niya. Parang madali siyang hawakan. Very open. All you have to do is yung bilog ng lens, dapat ipantay mo siya dito sa bilog para makabit mo yung camera. Then you just have to twist it then wait for that, yung ganong tunog, yung mag-snap siya. Let's put in that. When you open this one, diba, meron siyang may ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, all you have to do is to press this one, forward, then twist this one. Yan. And, hey. So, ito na siya. This is super liit. Diba? Sobrang, I cannot wait to use this one when we are allowed na to travel. This is so pretty. This is so nice. I am really excited to test this one. And you can also use this one when you are streaming. You can connect this as parang camera sa laptop na kapag nag-zoom ka. You just have to connect this one sa iyong Wi-Fi. And it also has a Bluetooth wherein you can also use your phone as a remote. You don't have to purchase na a Canon remote, the small one. You just have to connect this one to your mobile phone, as well as you can also connect this one to your laptop para at least you can use that as another monitor that you can see yourself while filming, you know. Actually, nag-invest tayo sa camera na ito is para makapag-produce ng mga quality videos at sa mga sumusuporta sa akin dito sa YouTube. Maraming salamat po, at kung hindi pa po kayo sumusubaybay sa akin, huwag na po kayo mahiyang mag-subscribe sa akin channel. At dito po tayo nagtatapos. This has been Irene Rey, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!